Welcome back. Sorry I've been gone for a while. It took me a while to get some new product. Pokemon fanboy back here. And today I got 3 packs of Pokemon cards for us to open up. A pack of Silver Tempest, Scarlet and Violet Base, and Darkness Ablaze. So I'm going to go from newest to oldest on here. So we're going to start out with Scarlet and Violet Base. So let's see what we can get out of here. There's y'all a code card for Scarlet and Violet Base. I'm not even going to try to do the pack trick because the pack trick, I don't know it for this set. So we have a Dedenne, a Pinico. Hold on, let me show y'all. Pinico, sorry, I'm horrible at these names. Flittle, Fuecoco. That's one of the new starter Pokemon, I believe, for Scarlet and Violet, I mean. Team Star Grunt, Lucario, Rock Chestplate, and for our reverse we have a Mankey, and okay, we got another reverse in here, and Palmot Holo Rare. So there's our first hit. We got a holo, and I believe that holos are guaranteed inside every single pack. So next up we have Silver Tempest right there. So let's open this one up. I know the pack trick for this is 4 to the front. So I think we got a good code card, so that means we'll probably get something out of here. 2, 3, 4 to the front. I may have done the pack trick wrong, I don't know. We got one of them V-Star things. Let's pull that away. So, Dragonair. Donphan. Duocean. Fanfy. Fletchling, Chimicho, Phoebus, Fennekin, and our reverse is, oh, Radiant Jirachi. That's a good hit right there. And Delphox, regular rare. So give me a second to get these organized. So let me give me a second to get these organized so I don't lose them. I forgot to give y'all the code card, I'm pretty sure, for that one, so there it is. We got one more pack left for hopefully we can get at least one hit today. Let's see if we can get last pack magic. So it comes down to this, Darkness Ablaze. So it comes down to this, guys. Some Darkness Ablaze. Here we go. Hold on. This pack's not wanting to open today. Oh, I think we got last pack magic, guys. Green and white code card. So, gotta make sure to do the pack trick good this time. 2, 3, 4. To the front. Darkness type energy. Darkness type energy. Dar tricks. Laron. Semi-Poor. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean this all up, guys. Deno. Jigglypuff. Dunsparce. Clink. Marini. Like that. So for our reverse Spinnerack. Oh, and a Capraja Hollow. But hey, at least I got the Jirachi Radiant card. I can't wait to show that to my father. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Pokemon Fanboy out.